A lot of interest in customers to switch to something biodegradable, natural products and handmade products. So there will be imperfections. So I started in 2020, around 6 years back. At that time, I was working in Mumbai. So I wanted to come back to my hometown in Kerala and do something for the agricultural economy. So I was always passionate about sustainable products because the world is struggling with a lot of pollution. So while exploring different materials, I came across shells because after making coconut oil, shells are usually discarded and they go to the landfill.
So what kind of challenges you face?
The main challenge, like if you see, all shells are of different shapes and sizes. Like this is slightly bigger, this is small. So when I get an order, it all has to be of a uniform size. So I had to ensure that I had a very large network of farmers with me. So I would be able to get the right size even at a higher volume.
What is means like your customers' reaction with this kind of product?
Yeah. So I think customers are really now looking forward to alternatives to plastic, which is a great thing. So I think the timing of this business is good. One of the best compliments that I get is because they're eating out of a natural products, they always try to eat healthy. They don't want to eat anything unhealthy from a natural item. So I think I see a lot of interest in customers to switch to something biodegradable.
What kind of trend you also means like see in the market and how it is evolving?
Yeah, definitely. I think from the time I started, it's better now because earlier we are so used to factory-made products. When compared to this, no two coconuts are exactly the same. So when we send to hotels, they would say, "Oh, I wanted this shape. You send me that shape." So I tell them that see, it's a natural. It's what the nature forms this. Although I'll be able to filter, it won't be exactly the same. But now I think more people are educated and aware that these are natural products and handmade products, so there will be imperfections, but what we try to do that it is as user friendly as compared to other alternatives like plastic. I think if you have a passion, do test it out initially. Don't invest from the first day. Go to the market, take feedback. And I started as a single person 6 years back, and now we are a 45-member team. So it all happens, but not in a year, but it takes 5 to 6 years. But be patient, and things will come your way.